भाजप सरकाराचो लोकांचेर विश्वास ना. भाजपान वेंचणुकेक उबे केल्ले उमेदवार परत वेंचून येवचे ना. तशेंच भाजप पोटवेंचणुकेक आनी लोकसभा वेंचणुकेक हरतलो म्हूण तांणी ही आमदारांची फोडाफोडी चलयल्या अशें काँग्रेसीचो ट्राजन म्हणटा.
अभी एमएलए को छोड़ने को शुरू किया बिकॉज द सिग्नल इज लाउड एंड क्लियर that the coming by elections the Congress is winning all the seats, and they knew that after the by elections this government would collapse. The law, the spirit of the law of the Anti-Defection Act, which was enacted to have a healthy democracy, is being used by the Bharatiya Janata Party to subvert democracy. They are sure they can't get the people's vote directly. Because in 2017, after their performance from 22, they came to 13. And now they are only buying MLAs to strengthen their position. So direct public vote is not with them. It is their signal. They are saying this to the people of Goa. आमकां तुमचेर विश्वास ना, तुम्ही आमदार निवडून दियात आमी वता तिंका. This is the position. I will tell you, it is a very clear signal that they are losing all the by-polls. Of course, the 2 Lok Sabha seats, they have almost lost it.
भाजपाक बहुमत नासतनाय तांणी सत्तेचेर रावपाचें थारायलां म्हूण तांणी सामकें वायट तरेचें राजकारण चलयलां. मात भाजपाची ही सगळी सर्कस मोदीचें सरकार सत्तेचेर आसा ते मेरेनच अशें ट्रोजन म्हणटा.
In the BJP, if you dissent, you are out. You are out. This is a democratic setup here. Don't worry, they may buy, keep on buying, keep on buying. How long will you buy? The moment there is no Modi government, then this whole thing will fall like a pack of cards. Anybody doubts this? And there is not going to be a Modi government. Take it from me.